AN, the Master the Articles quiz. Let's start. I saw elephant at the zoo. She is best student in the class. He is honest person. They live in large house. Sun is shining brightly today. I want to buy new phone. Ija dog is barking loudly. I need umbrella. They are staying at hotel near the beach. She is artist who paints beautiful landscapes. He is only one who knows the answer. We have dog and cat at home. I've never seen movie before. Books on the table are mine. She wants to become engineer. I need cup of tea to wake up. Amazon River is the longest river in South America. He bought new car yesterday. She has idea for the project. I have meeting at 3 p.m. He's been to United States twice. There's book on the table. Moon looks beautiful tonight. She gave me an amazing gift. I will be an hour late. We had wonderful time at the concert. I have a question for you. Alps are a famous mountain range in Europe. She went to university in New York. Earth revolves around sun. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English quizzes every week.